Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come, you can see this is www.gigabyte.com. Come on this website, then right hand side this is search button, so click it, then enter the model number of your motherboard B860M power and then hit enter. And then product, then the click of the motherboard, click to support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10 11. So if you have a Windows 10, so no worry, you can see this video, select the Windows 10 driver and install, because installation process same Windows 10 and 11. VGA driver, VGA, and this is size. Just click to download. You just click to download. After that you can see this is start downloading. Then it is done, and then open and just double click to X. Then click to yes. This is install and close it.